Hello mga uncles, meron tayong problema ngayon mga uncles. Nakita yun yung tambutso, nag-aso-aso. O parang blue smoke o white smoke. Parang ganun yung report sa akin. Siyempre, chinik natin yung radiator. Kung nagbabawas ba. Pero wala naman. Saka napansin ko dito, palyado yung makina. So tingnan nyo na lang kung anong gagawin natin dito para ma-resolve yung problema. Siyempre, namuy-amoy natin yung usok, no? Kasi kasama din yan sa pag-troubleshoot. So, ayan. So, keep on lang sa video ito at tingnan natin kung ano ang problema dito. Perkins engine po tong unit na to. Siyempre, the power of duk-duk-duk-duk. Ano na yung mga technique sa mga uncles ba? Duk-duk-duk ko, naramibawan, kung gana ba dili. So, yan. So, siyempre, istorya na patang in English dire, bulag-bulag ba. Ayun. Pasok, uncles!
Yeah, see? The motor now is not functioning. So, first, I need to verify if the supply is stable or not. So, check supply for this pump, fuel pump. Get some supply on it, and then plug in again. Now it's returning. Start. So let's try to undo this one. So what happened? This is what happened. I'm starting to blow some white smoke. If I plug this one again. Engine will be okay.
So, syempre, mao na nga para sa itong palitan kanang fuel pump nga electric motor ang gamit. So, mao na ang model po sa Perkins engine.
So, we don't have a pump that 24 volt, so the only available here is from Perkins as well, is 12 volts. So what we can do is to put some voltage reducer on it with the original harness, and then try to put on some like this, a device like this. So since this one is from 18 to 32 volts, so this device can reduce up to 13.6 volts, so it's enough to firing this one, right? Okay, so let's check if the voltage now is reduced. So as you can see, the voltage now was reduced to 13 volts, so that's enough now. That's enough supply to function this new fuel pump. So let's rip the one up and then install the new one. Okay, so we already replaced the other fuel pump. Then this one is already failure, because when I check this one, it's usually the coil has a diode, so you need to diode test on this one. When I diode test on this one, the polarity is already shorted. So when I check the coil as well, it says 1.8 only, so it means the coil is already bad. It should be not 1.8 ohms. And while this one, when I check this one in ohms test, I cannot get some inner resistance when I check with this diode test, I get polarity from diode testing, so should be this coil is running with diodes on it. So let's try. Turn on the key switch. Yeah, hearing a sound, that's an indication of a good pump. Let's start it. Let's observe this for a couple of minutes. Then after a couple of minutes of observing, need to test if this one is getting hotter or not. So for the start, no blow smoke or white smoke on the exhaust pipes, and the engine is high, the RPM is stable, and pump is also